Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the sixth video lecture of the chapter Some Natural Phenomenon. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss about safety measures during lightning, means how we can protect ourselves from lightning. In last class we have seen that lightning, if it strike on a building, it can damage the building and even the building can catch fire. So if there is a thunderstorm and lightning is there, so it is said that lightning can strike any time, any place. So some safety measures are there that need to be taken so that you can remain safe. First, do not take shelter under a tree. If you are in an open area, do not take shelter under a tree. First, do not stand under a tree if tree get hit by lightning, it will catch fire and if it catch fire it may harm you. So what is saying that do not take shelter of a tree. Next, do not remain in open area. So if you are in a open field, do not remain in the open field. Try to take shelter in any building or any parked vehicle, because if you are inside a parked and closed vehicle, if lightning strike also, the metallic part of the vehicle will transfer the lightning safely into the ground without harming you. So if there is a lightning, you have to take shelter either in a building or in a parked vehicle. But one more thing that you have to keep in mind, when you are inside the vehicle, do not touch the metallic pan of the vehicle. Vehicle के metallic structure को छूना नहीं है, because we know that metals are good conductor of electricity. So do not remain in open space. Take shelter inside a building or a parked vehicle. So next, if you are in an open area and you don't find any vehicle or any building nearby you, what you have to do, you have to sit down and keeping your legs together and keeping your heads inside, means between your legs, and minimizing your surface area. कम से कम surface area होना चाहिए. So you sit in a position that only your legs should touch the ground, and if you sit like this, chances of you striking by lightning is very less. So if you are in open area, go take shelter in any building or any parked vehicle. If you don't find any parked vehicle or if you don't find any building, you have to sit in a condition so that your legs should only touch the ground, and that too your legs should be together and your heads and hands should be together. You should be sitting in a condition so that you should decrease your surface area. So chances of lightning striking will be lesser. If you are out in the open, squat. Squat means sitting like that position. Squat down with your feet together and only let your feet touch the ground. So like this you will decrease your surface area. Do not use electric appliances. TV should not be running. No use of wired phone. You can use your mobile phone. Mobile phone is not going to affect the lightning, but electrical appliances, refrigerator, AC, freeze, fan, light should be running, but electrical appliances that runs on electricity wire, that should be switched off, because we know the wire is good conductor of electricity. So fourth is, do not use electrical appliances. Next, stay away from the water body. Means you have to stay away from the water. As we know, water is a good conductor of electricity, so you should not take bath. You should stay away from the swimming pool. You should stay away from any water body, so that you remain safe, because as we know, water is a good conductor of electricity. So fifth is, stay away from water. Means do not take bath, stay away from any water body. Next is, come down from an elevated area. If you are in an elevated area, if you are on the rooftop, छत पे है, if you are on the mountain top or hilltop, so you should come down from elevated area. As we have seen that the lightning conductor works when it is above in the elevated area. So you don't want yourself to become lightning conductor. So come down from the elevated area and you should remain down. So come down from elevated मतलब उठा हुआ, elevated places like hilltop, mountain top or rooftop. So these are the some safety measures that need to be taken for the precaution or remaining safe during lightning or striking of lightning. So safety during lightning. So hope you understand. Still more is there in some book. There is more is there. For example, you should not use umbrella. Why? सर बारिश हो रहा है, अम्ब्रेला नहीं यूज करेंगे, बिकॉज द हैंडल ऑफ द अम्ब्रेला इज मेटेलिक. यू शुड अवे, इफ यू आर इनसाइड, अगर घर के अंदर है, यू शुड stay away from any metallic piece, mean especially metallic window, and because if you stay near the window, chances of striking or electric lightning is more. If it falls, that it will damage more. So many more safety measures are there. You can find different measures. If you find something more, I will also send one video along with this. In that more is there, you can write from there also. Okay.